Hi, I'm Max, and today we'll be doing an oil change on a Can-Am Maverick using part number 9779489. All right, on your oil change for your Can-Am Maverick, you would need a 17mm socket, an extension, and a wrench. The drain plug is way up here on the bottom of the engine. Again, it's a 17mm drain plug. Okay, so once you take out your big drain plug out of the bottom, directly next to it is a 10mm tiny drain plug, smaller drain plug, that you also need to remove. All right, so replacing the small drain plug first. Take off your old washer, put on your new one. They come in the oil change kit. And then install right back. Also, same thing for the big drain plug. Take off the old one, already got rid of it, and install the new drain plug and install. When doing oil changes on Can-Am Mavericks, there will be leftover residual from the lines not exactly lining up exactly. So just beware that you will have oil drips at the end. All right, on your Can-Am Mavericks, the oil filter is under this cover here. It is locked down by 3 8mm bolts. It can be a pain, and it is just a cartridge filter as well. And watch for the hot exhaust. And there is oil in there, so be aware. You're gonna have to put your finger under there a little bit to lift that oil filter out, but it will come out. Push down so it's secure. When you take your cap off, change the seal. New seal comes with the O-rings. Put it around. Make sure it sits nice and tight on the bottom. And then this little cutout here goes straight down like this. It's down, and you can go ahead and put your 8mm back in. And now that you're ready to add your oil in, you come down under the driver's side, and right behind here is the bright yellow dipstick. Right behind this big intake tube. Right there. I just happen to have a 90-degree funnel. And these Mavericks roughly take about 4 quarts. When I do oil changes on a Maverick, I like to do about 3.5 quarts when putting it back. Let the engine run about 10 seconds and add the rest. Alright, now that you ran your engine for about 10 seconds, go ahead, read your dipstick. The line there should be right at it or just above it. You'll be just fine. And that's how you do an oil change on a Can-Am Maverick. Make sure you click the link below to order your oil change kit today.